Hello. Today we are going to say these words with your English voice. Hello. Hello. H-L-O. Hello. 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 When you see somebody for the first time, you say hello. Hello. 2. Goodbye. Goodbye. G-U-D-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. When you are going to leave, you say goodbye. Recap. Hello. Goodbye. Well done. You can ask, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Name. What is your name? Okay. My name is. My name is. My name is Jessica. My name is Jessica. My name is. My name is. Well done. So let's have a look. I have a woman and a man. Hello. Hello. What is your name? My name is Amy. What is your name? My name is Tom. Goodbye. Goodbye. Well done today. Good job. Goodbye.